This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Brandy Holdman. Airy open concept living room and kitchen features all appliances, new paint, new laminate flooring, and new kitchen vinyl. One-level living with 2 bedrooms, full bath and convenient laundry area with washer and dryer included. Attached roomy 1-car garage. Relax on the covered front porch. This unit also has a large storage area/workshop off the garage that at one time was a rear deck. It could be opened back up to become a deck again if the buyer desires. Total electric unit and low and HOA fees include lawn mowing, street lights, and trash removal. Quiet and well-tended neighborhood close to I-69 and convenient to Bloomington and Ellettsville. For more information, review the details below or contact Brandy Holdman at 812-323-123.